I am repeating the same concept. Okay? You should try to understand and then, okay, we will go in exercise and try to write the numeral also. Okay? That is the numeration. We want to develop the special skill of numeration. Okay? This is the special types of numeration. So you should try to learn it. Try to understand. Okay? समझते हैं ना? हमें नंबरिंग सीखना है. ओके? मैंने आपको दिया था होमवर्क 1 to 300. ओके? Have you done? Now student, basic things we have discussed so far. Symbol. Okay? Symbol of Roman. As you know, first symbol I, second E, third X, fourth L, fifth C, sixth D, and seventh N. Okay? These are the 7 symbols in Roman numeral. Understood? This is the first. Just like Hindu Arabic or international system of 10 symbols there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In a Roman numeral, only 7 symbols. So that will be easy. Okay? We can understood it. Easier than that of Hindu Arabic and international system of numeration. So these are only 7. Second concept we have discussed so far. What? Bar. Bar. About bar. Bar, if you are placing the bar over 10, 9, that will be 5, that will be multiplied by how? Problem. देख बोर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग थोड़ा सा इसको और इधर रखिए ना कैमरा को. क्या होता है जैसे बोर्ड का स्पेस जिधर है उधर करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ठीक है. चलिए दीज आर द 7 सिंबल. These are the 7 symbols. Okay? These are the 7 symbols. Second concept was placing the bar. It means we will multiply the symbol by 1000. Okay? This was the second concept. Third was repetition. Third was repetition. Okay? Repetition means how many times you can repeat the symbol and which symbols are eligible for this. किस सिंबल को कितने बार रिपीट करेंगे, कौन सिंबल रिपीट नहीं होगा. दैट कॉन्सेप्ट वाज रिपीटिशन. व्हाट? रिपीटिशन. ओके. तो रिपीटिशन में हम लोगों ने देखा था, we had seen in that repetition system, first IXCM can be repeated. I, X, C, M can be repeated. Can be can be repeated. IXCM can be repeated, but how many times? Not more than 3 times. Not more than 3 times. Not more than 3 times. रिपीटिशन तो होगी, बट नॉट मोर देन 3 टाइम्स. 3 टाइम्स से ज्यादा नहीं. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ इन द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट we have seen VLD are never repeated. VLD are never repeated. Never repeated. VLD are never repeated. Okay? These symbols are never repeated. इसका हम लोग कभी रिपीटिशन नहीं करेंगे. ओके? अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट? BLD are never repeated. IXCM can be repeated. So there are two group of symbol. They can be repeated and they can't be repeated. Okay? We should learn here. Only 7 symbol. Okay? From those symbols, 4 can be repeated. These 4 can be repeated and these 3 can't be repeated. ये 3 कभी रिपीट नहीं होगा. ओके? अंडरस्टूड? हैव यू ग्रुप्ड द सिंबल? यस मैम. These 3 can't be repeated, but these 4 are repeating. These 4 are repeating symbol. In Roman numeral, these 4 are repeating symbol, but these 3 are not repeating. It means we can classify these 7 symbols into 2 groups. In first group, the symbol which can be repeated, and in the second group, the symbol which can't be repeated. Understood? So first concept was how many symbols are there in Roman numeral? Understood? Second symbol, how we can place the bar and what is its meaning? Third concept, yes. Repetition of symbol. Repetition of symbol. Now student, addition of symbol. Next concept was addition of symbol. Addition of symbol. What? Addition of symbol. In addition of symbol, we have discussed. We have discussed. Suppose that you are writing this type of symbol. A student, how many types of symbol here? 2 types. This is V, this is I. Which one is less than another? Which one is larger than another? Okay? We can guess. 5 is larger. 1 is smaller. What is its meaning? Its meaning is, if we are placing a smaller symbol after larger symbol, then we should add the smaller symbol, okay, in larger symbol. In this way, we should write 5 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 7. 6. Okay. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Similarly, if you are writing X and V, then you can guess its meaning. X is a smaller. Okay, no. Machine garam ho gaya. X is larger and V is a smaller. It means we are going to place the smaller symbol after larger symbol. then we should
Yes.
add how 10 plus I
5
equal
is
to
equal to 15.
15.
15.
In this way, we can write 15 in Roman numeral. In which concept we are? Addition. Addition. How we can add the symbol together? Okay? A student, if you are writing V triple I, V triple I, okay? It means V is larger. They all are smaller. So, we are placing the smaller symbol after larger. So, in larger, we will add the smaller. How? 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus
Plus
1
1.
equal to 8. So, that concept was for addition. Okay? Our next concept was a student subtraction.
Yes, sir.
What? Subtraction.
Subtraction.
About subtraction. How? A student, if you are writing IV, take the concept VI. And here IV. What is its meaning? A smaller symbol before larger symbol. It means we are placing the larger symbol after a smaller symbol. That means subtraction. छोटा को पहले
Yes, sir.
रखेंगे. That means subtraction. How you can subtract
Yes, sir.
then? Larger is 5. नमस्ते मैम. मैम? ओह, नमस्ते. ठीक है? आप ठीक हैं? पढ़ाई करते हैं? अच्छा से कीजिए. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. In this way we can write 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Now student, in subtraction, if you are writing CD, if you are writing CD, not mind compact disk, CD here, CD. These two are the symbol, check. These two are the symbol.
Symbol check.
Here student D is larger, C is smaller. It means larger comes after a smaller. Larger comes after a smaller. That means subtraction. We will subtract
Yes.
the smaller from
Larger.
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 So larger is 500. Smaller is 100.
100.
Smaller is 100. That means 400. So this type of number will represent in Roman numeral 400. Okay? Understood? If you are writing
Yes, sir.
CM, if you are writing CM, then what is its meaning? M is the larger, C is the smaller. Here M is representing 1000. Try to learn. M is representing 1000. Subtract. Here C is 100. So 1000 minus 100 equal to 900. That will represent 900. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
In this way, you should try to understand in addition and subtraction. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Up to 1000, we should learn everything. Okay? You can't learn just like, what do you mean by sentence? A combination of word giving a complete sense is called sentence. That is nothing here. Here, only one thing. you are able to understand or not in this classroom. Okay? Now, student, that concept was subtraction, related to
Yes.
subtraction. Now, we
Related to
should write some special note. Take down number A. VLD are never subtracted. VLD are never subtracted. VLD are never subtracted. ये भाई साहब कभी सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होंगे. VLD are never subtracted. ये कभी सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होंगे. ओके. Number B. Number B. I can be subtracted from V and X. I can be subtracted from V and X. I
Oh,
can
yes.
be subtracted from V and X. Okay, check here. This symbol is
Yes.
for 1. Okay. 1 can be subtracted
Yes.
from only 2 symbols, V and X. इन्हीं दोनों से ये सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. Understood? Now, note number C. X can be subtracted from L and C. These are important. X can be subtracted from X can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C. Okay, you should learn these notes. You should learn these notes. I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C.
C. Yes, sir.
X can be subtracted from L and C. And note number D is C can be subtracted from D and M.
Vaishnavi.
C can
Gati.
be subtracted from C can be subtracted from D and M. C can be subtracted from D and M. C can be subtracted from D and M. Okay, now check the note. I can be subtracted from V and X. I can be subtracted from V and X. Take number C. X can be subtracted from L and C. Take X can be subtracted from L and C. Okay. And the last note, C can be subtracted. This C can be subtracted from D and M. और किसी से subtract नहीं करेंगे. We should follow these rules. Okay? We should follow these rules in Roman numeral. These rules in Roman numeral. Understood? Now, a student, we should think something about addition and subtraction together. Addition and subtraction together. Addition and subtraction together. Take down subtraction together. एक साथ जो काम होता है उसको हमें टेक करना है. Addition and subtraction together. How we can do so? Okay, student. Suppose that we want to write this symbol. If you are writing this symbol, XIV, XIV, okay? X is the largest here. So we should write here 10 first, okay? Then plus second larger is 5, V. One is a smaller. A smaller is placing before the last larger. It means the larger symbol just after the smaller symbol. The larger symbol just after the smaller symbol. Now,
Symbol.
we should subtract 5 minus 1. Okay? Now, check these two symbols. 10 plus. Okay? This is the larger. Okay? Comes here just after the smaller. So a smaller will be subtracted from the larger, which just come after the smaller. Okay? In this way, you should write the number 10 plus 4 equal to 14. It means 14 will be represented by this symbol. Okay? Now, you can think about the next symbol. If you are writing CXIV, CXIV, take down CXIV, CXIV. Here largest is C. Okay, what is C? C is representing 100. So first you will write 100. Okay. Then this is the second larger. So this will represented for 10. Okay. Now 100 plus 10. 100 plus 10. Now plus the third number. This is the smallest symbol. And one more larger comes just after the smaller. So we should subtract. How? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Now guess the number. 100 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we should add together 100 and 114. Student, this concept is together. Addition and subtraction. How we can add and how we can subtract. Then how we can find the suitable numeral of Roman numeral. Okay? Now, student, I am giving 1. Okay, you should try to do yourself. Here, XIX. Can you write? XIX. Here X means 10 plus. Now second. The smallest is I, which is which comes between two larger. Okay? But this is the smallest. And after this smaller symbol, one larger comes just after it. So we will subtract. Then we should write 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Now simplify. 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9 equal to 19. So 19 will be represented by this symbol. That concept is called addition and subtraction. Understood? Okay, you should try to learn all of these. Try to learn. How you can learn? Writing the Roman numeral again and again. Thinking something
Yes.
special. How we can write this number, and write
Yeah,
that
how we
number.
can.
Okay. This type of thinking is called learning. Okay. Something you should learn by heart. These notes and some notes given in your previous class. Okay. Have you written, student?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Now, student, we should go for some practice. Okay. Okay, come. Write these numbers in Roman numeral. Roman numeral. A. 23. Okay. 23. You can write. Repeat the symbol. 10, 10, then 3. 10, 10, then 3. Now second number. 31. 31. Repeat this symbol X 3 times. Then I. This is 31. Okay. Now student, can you guess about 41? 41? Are you thinking repetition of this symbol 4 times? Then 1? No, that is wrong. Because according to which concept? We can repeat this symbol up to 3 times. Not more than 3 times. Okay? Okay? How many symbols there? You can repeat 3 times. How many symbols are there? You can repeat 3 times. Okay, you should learn it. So this is wrong. What is right? What is right then? 30, 41. 41. How we can write 40 then? Because this is the wrong process. Repetition of the symbol is 4 times. That is not possible. So how we can write 40? We should think about 50. 50 is 50 is L. 50 is L. Then we should subtract the smaller symbol. Now 50 minus 10 is 40. Then place one smallest. In this way, we can write 41. That is right. That is right, 41. Okay. Now you should think about the next number. 84. How you can write guess? Guess yourself, everyone. 84. First, we should write 80, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now, how we can write 4? This is 84. Okay. Now guess about another number. But first guess yourself. Suppose that you want to write 72. How you can write this? 72. Guess yourself first. 70 then 2. First we should write 50. Then 70. Then 2. This is 72. Okay? Understood? Now, one more question. F, you should try to do. If you want to write 137, 137, how you can write this 137? Okay, you can guess, sir, this is 100. CE. Okay, now 30, 10, 10, 10. 130. But 7 more. How you can write 7? 5 to 7. This is 137. Understood? Now G. Next number. You want to write 198. How you can write 198? Okay? This is your today's homework, okay? 198. First we should think about 100. Then we should think about 90. How we can write 90? How we can write 90? Then 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. How we can write 100 minus 10? In this way we can write 100 minus 10. So, 100 plus 90, 190. Now, how we can write it? Okay, 5, 3, 8. In this way, we can write 190. Okay, have you written? Now, next number. Can you write 389? 389. Can you write 389? Guess yourself. You can repeat the symbol, 100 symbol 3 times. You can repeat the 100 symbol 3 times. Guess about 389. Have you written, student? 300. Then how you can write 800 or 80? How you can write 80? 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30. Then 300 plus 80. Okay. Now last digit is 9. How you can write 9? 1 subtracted from 10. In this way, you can write 389. Now you can guess about the next digit, next number. Suppose that you want to write 479. How you can write? Okay. How you can write 400 then?
EDLXXR.
Are you thinking? C. No, no, no. because this is the repetition of 4 times. That is not possible. We can repeat only 3 times. Okay. So how we can write 400? I am unable to understand.
400, sir. Serious?
Okay. Can you guess about 500? 500. Do you know? LCDM, 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 50, 100, 500, 1000, 50, 100, 500, 1000. So, for 500, we should use D. But this is the 500. This is the 500. You need only 400. So we should subtract 100. Okay. How we can subtract 100? Placing the smaller symbol after larger symbol or before larger symbol. Before larger symbol. Okay. So you will write CD. Now 500 minus 100, that is 400. Now how we can write 79? First you should think about 70. So 50 this is, okay, and these two are representing 20. 50 plus 20 is 70. Now 470. But how we can write 9? That is the problem. Okay, no problem. Place the smaller symbol before the larger symbol and subtract. So 10 minus 1 is 9. In this way, we can write 479. Okay, have you written? Next digit. You want to, next number you want to write 625. 625 you want to write. Yes, please. Guess about 600. 500 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay? 500 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. How we can write 500 then? D.
Sir, the answer.
Then 100 C. 600. Now 20. Okay. 20. Then 5. Okay. This is the simple. In this way, you can write the Roman. Okay. You can write the Roman numeral. Can you guess about 900, student? Can you guess about 900? How we can write 900? Do you know 1000? Do you know 1000? Very good. That is 1000. But we want to subtract 100 from 1000. If we want to subtract, then we should place the smaller symbol before larger symbol. Okay? So that is
Yes.
100. Now 1000 minus 100 is 900. That's okay. No problem at all. Very good. Now I am giving you some questions. You should try to solve. Books are available, I am thinking, in this school. Everybody should try to buy the books from your school counter. Okay? Okay? HW. Express each of the following. Express each of the following. Express each of the following as a Roman numeral. Express each of the following as a Roman numeral. 164, 195, 226, 475, 596, 611, 902, 879, 999, 999, 2340, 5779, 5779, only 99, only 99, 105, 1005, 5000, 4000, 4000, okay, 4000, understood? You should write these numbers as a Roman numeral, okay? Now second question, this is first question, I mean A, question A. Now come in question B, B group. Group A completed, now group B. Come in group B. Write each of the following write each of the following कंक्रीट आ जाता है write each of the following as a Hindu Arabic numeral. Hindu Arabic, Hindu Arabic numeral. Write each of the following as a Hindu Arabic numeral. Number 1, XXVII. Number 2, triple X IV. Number 3, XLV. Number 4, LXXIV. Number 5, CLIV. Number 6, CDL, CDLXIV. Number 7. XCI. Number 8. CCXXIV. Number 9. टाइम है ना रे, हो गया है एक. नंबर 9. DVI. Number 10. DCC. LXVI. Okay? Write down these homework. You should try to do. Okay? And in our next class, we will start our second chapter. Okay? Second chapter will be what? I am thinking factors and multiples. In next class, we will start factor and multiple. You should try to learn Roman numeral. Okay? You have enough time. So, I am requesting all of you, okay? You don't forget the given concept in this class. Try to write these again and again and learn everything also. That is compulsory for you. Thank you. All the best.